Hello everyone. Today in Panda series, there is a new topic. Is it you can say is a small project in car utilities. So this is the data set name car utility. So for and I am using the one more library is matplotlib. Matplotlib is used for the visualization. This is the import matplotlib.py plot as plt is my this is name where I am using. So it's it's working. This is the data. The df is data variable name and pd.read csv. This is the file where I am using the r is r because there if I am not using the r it show the unicode problem, show the output unicode. You can use the double slash or you can use the r. So this is the data. I want to see the head df dot head is show you for 5 rows and columns, and same thing is are there if you df dot head and display dot sorry display dot head. I want to see the 10 or any 20s, so it show you 20 rows and columns. Or you can you can use any fill the any values, or by default it show you if you not mention there is 20 or 10 value, by default it also show you 5 rows and columns. So next I want to see the how many rows and columns are there. So there is it show the df dot shape show the how many rows is 22 and 9 columns. Then I am using the histogram plot because before I told you I have used the library matplotlib. So there I am using the library. Then plt is the variable name and dot figure. There I am giving the figure size 10 and 9. You can give anything. It's if you give the 20 that it's so the lengthwise and widthwise. Next I am using the plt dot histogram and histogram because and that my variable data variable name where I want to see the sales, how many sales are there. And then bin is equal to 9. You can give anything. Ping is show you the range of the value, range of the how much value are there. And this is the alignment. I give the alignment is right. You can use it left and center is. Then color is purple. You can use red, anything you can use. And ace color is black. Ace color is a border. You can say the border color is a black. Then title is histogram, and X label I use the cost, and Y label I want to see the sales, and then plt dot show. So it is not necessary that you can use these function because I want to see that the color wise also and alignment also. So if you not use this, that it's working. This is the optional. These functions are optional. You can only use the bin. It's 9 and inverted comma. It's also work. So this is the sales range, and this is the cost. There is the difference between cost. Now I want to see the null value. Is there is any null value? So it's also called the data cleaning. So it show the only nuclear have 9 null values. Now I want to fill this null value by using the mean value. So is a data name, then nuclear is a my blank. This is null values which I am defined. Dot fill na is a function, and df is variable name. Then again I am using the nuclear dot mean because I want to mean value, and then in place is equal to 2. Before I also told you that if I am not mentioned the in place is equal to 2, it show the same data set as before. Is it also it show you if I run this, then it show you the null, it also show you the null value, but I want the original data set. That's why it is compulsory that have to uh, you will have to define the in place of is equal to 2. So it's fill the value um, 20 point 37. I show you the there is a first value is a nan null value, there is no data. Third value 7 value, 6 value, 7 value. So there are 9 values. I show you that first value it's use the 20.30 something, then third value same visit it use, and also there is also null values. This is also null values, so it will give the mean value. Now I want to see the company, want to count the company. There is more than one company also is there. So there is no any value dot count is a function or name. So there is no, all are one company, there is no any more than one. Next I am using the filter where I want to filter that this values, this is in sales column, there is the values. If I show you this in sales value, there is the value 588 and 111. This is these two values are is in the data set. If have that which company have this types of sales. So Houston and Florida has this value, so it give the filter value. There is only two values who has the sales 5,000 something and 111 This is next. Sorry. Next, I want to remove the values. This value where the cost where is 245 is equal to 245. It's removed. So df and df dot cost not equal is a symbol, and 245. So it's remove the all 245 values in the data set. If there is any data have 245 value in cost column, this is the 245 is so if if you see that there is a seventh values who have 245 cost. Now we see, so six, there is six, that it remove the value is that there is no any seven number. Six, then eight, then 10. If there is a seven number, 245, cost is 245, so it remove the seven number, seven, then it use eight, so cost row are removed. Next is then I want to define the I'm using the apply function, as well as I want to see the cost with using the lambda function, and the cost is increase plus 4. If the cost is explaining, if the cost is 151, that 4 is added in the cost. So this is the giving the only warning. So if you see that the cost is 151, before the cost is 151, sorry, and there is it's add the value 4, then it give the cost is 155. I am using the lambda function where is x column x, and then plus 4. So it's add by using the apply function, it's add the 4 in cost data set. Next is 202, the cost is 202, then there is a 206, so it add in all rows with 4. So this is the small project regarding car utility. Hope you like it.
Thank for watching.